Anyone who wears hair extensions should be concerned. That included everything from flame retardants to pesticides to things like phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors and known to be associated with reproductive harm for both men and women. I could say look out for those products that are labeled as non-toxic or toxic-free, but that's difficult to say because those terms are not regulated by any entity. So companies can slap that on the product and there will be no consequences. We are trusting in companies that don't have any requirements to create and produce products that are free of some dangerous chemicals.